Frontier Medical Group is a company based up in Nhredegar. We are a manufacturer of pressure area care products which we distribute globally. We currently export to 34 countries across the Middle East, Europe, North and South America and Asia. Since applying focus to our export business, we've been able to grow the business by 30%, which has contributed to 30% of our overall company turnover. We've achieved this growth by strengthening our position with our existing distributors, but also entering new markets with new partners. And this just wouldn't have been possible without the support from the Welsh Government. We will continue to expand geographically so more healthcare systems and more patients can gain access to our award-winning products. If you're looking to grow your export business, then the Welsh Government services can be the catalyst that takes you further faster. Start with curiosity, plan with intent, and take the first step because the world is a lot closer than you think.